All right, this is going to be our interior cabin. We'll just kind of start right here. And of course, it does have a couch. It's got a little coffee table. We have the bed, 2 lamps on either side. You got power plugs on both sides. You got some regular power plugs down here. Go ahead and turn on some lights in here. Hey, look, they even put all kinds of extra effort into the lampshade. Done very nautically. Go over here to the other side. Of course, you have your phone, more power. Go ahead and turn back around. There's Tiffany sitting on the couch. Now, it does have a curtain here. You can close that if you need privacy between the 2 sides of the room. And then right up here, now, I'm not going to mess with it. The crew can pull this down. But right here, if you pull... Ooh, shocked me. But if you pull this down right here, there is also a bed right there. And the couch here itself also turns into a bed. All right. On this side, you got some drawer space here. In there should be the refrigerator. Got a small refrigerator, a mirror, more power here. Looks like you got regular plugs, USB power down through here. You have your television right here. We'll open this up here real quick. You do have your room safe. Now this ladder right here is for that bunk above the couch. Plenty of storage space there. Then we'll come over this way and you have the bathroom in here. Now I do know on Disney ships, if you get a ocean view or a balcony cabin, you do get the split bathroom where you have a tub on one, or a shower and sink on one side, and the toilet and a sink on the other. But because we have an inside cabin, we don't have that. We have the single, but they do provide you the H2O products, body wash, shampoo, conditioner. And so being an older cruise ship, this one actually has a bathtub in it. There is an actual bathtub in there, plus the shower. It's also got the clothesline. We'll try to move over here. But they got the sea salt body lotion in here, sea salt hand soap. All right, and let's see what they provided us here. These here are our loyalty gifts. So we got 2 lanyards here and a backpack. We actually already have one of these backpacks. Best backpack ever right here. We use this on every single excursion. These things are spectacular. Got some artwork on the wall. Some more artwork over here. All right, and that is our room tour. I said this is going to be room 6051. So deck 6 on the port or left side of the ship. All right, thank you for joining us.